Hello everyone, today we want to meet up. A friend come from halfway around the world. The Play Harder Tour. Yeah. And Chung, the Hanoi City tour guide, will take him around the 1,000-year city of Hanoi to explore the relics, the tourist site, and show him the history of this 1,000-year city. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so just a briefing,
nice to meet you.
some information about you.
Well, we're really excited to be able to visit Hanoi. Tour company specializes in both bucket list and beer tourism travel.
For sure.
So I think you could see the fit there.
Yeah, that
kind of hit on both of them.
Very good time for us today.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're looking forward to it.
All right.
I hope we can do a little visit to Beer Street and also looking for Train Street.
Definitely. I will take you there.
All right.
Of course, and the beer is unlikable things in the tour
sounds good
today.
to me.
Good, let's go, right? Yeah, we can wait anymore.
All right.
The duration time is 4 hours.
Okay.
But I try to synthesize that most of the famous tourist sites and the typical places for you, make you got a general glance about Hanoi City. Okay, please follow me over here. Let's go inside to see the secret pagoda here. We started our day in Tran Quoc Pagoda, the oldest pagoda in Hanoi. We're here because this place is more than a historical landmark. And they built this one, with the name Tran Quoc, that means the country protection. It's one of the most beautiful, peaceful corners in the city. The pagoda sit on a small island on West Lake. So in front of your eye, you can see the beautiful Buddhism tower with 6 sides and 11 floors, surrounded by calm waters, bright red towers, and the centuries-old body trees that creates a timeless atmosphere. As we walk through the courtyard, we explore the stories behind its architecture, the layers of symbolism in each tower, and the role this pagoda has played in local spiritual life for more than 1,500 years. So over here you can see the Karma law, the illustration. That's what we believe in, and making people, teaching people living better or behave better. This is the tree, we call that the Bodhi tree. The tree of Buddhism, the tree of the enlightenment. The light here in the morning especially good for photos, with reflection from the lake making everything feel vivid and serene. It was a perfect introduction to the rhythm of Hanoi, quiet, meaningful, and full of history. Our next stop was Dong Xuan Market, the largest and most iconic market in Hanoi. Walking inside, we stepped into the completely different rhythm of the cities, busy, colorful, and full of everyday life. It is where local shops for everything from fresh produce and dry food to clothes, fabrics, and household items. As we moved through the aisles, we talked about how the market has been a trading hub for more than a century, and how it reflects the real heartbeat of Hanoi. The narrow part, the sound of beginnings, the sense of organized chaos, all of it show the energies that drive the old water. It's also the great place for vibrant, dynamic shot, style of goods, bright colors, and the constant motion of people going about their day. Dong Xuan captures the spirit of local life in a way few places can.
I love it. Our son Alex would go crazy over that produce area.
Tell him to come here.
We will. He just got back from Korea.
Yeah.
He and his girlfriend, Serena. And I think he would love Vietnam.
Yeah. So Dong Xuan Market is kind of the symbol for shopping area
Oh yeah.
for Vietnamese people in Hanoi as well.
It's wonderful.
From the market, we continued to one of Hanoi's most unusual spots, the famous Tran Street. Here, the rail runs right through the narrow residential neighborhood, with homes, cafes, and daily life only a few steps from the track. It's the place where the old structure of the cities and modern cafe culture blend into something truly unique. You see that? The train here was built from 1960. Train, yeah. It's got an old style of train. As we walked along the track, we talk about how this area becomes such a recognizable landmark and why it draws travelers from around the world. The setting is perfect for close-up shot. The rustic houses, tiny cafes, the track stretching into the distance create a cinematic backdrop that you won't find anywhere else. Let's go! Our journey brought us to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, one of the most important landmarks in Vietnam. Standing in the center of Ba Dinh Square, the structure is built in solid gray stone with clean, square lines that reflect simplicity and respect. It is where President Ho Chi Minh lay to rest, and the site holds deep historical significance for the country. Right next to the mausoleum complex, we made our way to the Pillar Pagoda, one of Hanoi's most distinctive Buddhist structures. The pagoda raised from a single stone pillar in the middle of the small lotus pond, designed to resemble a blooming lotus, a symbol of our purities in Vietnamese culture. The surrounding garden and the elevated wooden shrine create a calm, balanced visual that contrasts with the busy city outside. The quiet corner has become an enduring icon of Hanoi. From the peaceful pagoda, we move into the very different chapter of Hanoi history at Hoa Lo Prison, built by the French in the late 19th century. This place was originally used to detain Vietnamese revolutionaries and later became known to Americans as a Hanoi Hilton during the Vietnam War. Timber wood and iron. It looks very hard to break, right? You can see somebody inside. I open this door. Have a look at that. Timber wood. The weight is about 1,600 kilograms. As we walk through the preserved cells and exhibition rooms, we explore the story behind the prison's constructions, the harsh conditions prisoners faced, and the powerful narratives shown through documents, artifacts, and reconstructed scenes. The contrast between the quiet museum atmosphere and the history it represents makes the experience especially striking. Visually, the dark corridor, heavy iron doors, and historical display gives strong dramatic footage, a reminder of Hanoi's complex past and the resilience that shaped the city. Sickly supplied with a bottle of sulfuric acid. And the iron saw they're crawling inside, and then they pour the sulfuric acid to the iron bars to avoid it, and then use a saw to cut it, to bend it out to go through. We wrap up our city journeys at St. Joseph Cathedral, one of Hanoi's most recognizable landmarks. Introduce you the symbol of Catholic religions in Hanoi, the St. Joseph Cathedral. Standing at the heart of the Old Quarter, the cathedral's neo-Gothic towers, stone faces, and tall arch windows immediately bring a touch of old European charm to the city.
Well, we're very excited about the tour. We had a great time. We appreciated every stop.
Thank you for that.
It was all good. Maybe my favorite of the whole tour was going through the market.
The market of Dong Xuan.
Oh yeah.
What about the Tran Street?
The train street.
Oh, Train Street too. Train Street was great.
Really nice, huh?
Everything was good.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, it was an excellent tour,
Yeah.
and I would strongly recommend it for our clients.
Thank you for that, and I hope to see you and the family come back to Hanoi again.
Well, I'm
and
sure
I
we
will
will.
tour guide to show you more things in this city.
Sounds
Thanks a
good.
lot.
Thank
See you
you.
one more time.
Yes.